Here's the reason we're seeing a Bitcoin sell-off. At this point, we really have 5 catalysts that are responsible for today's price collapse, with the first being 1. Investors are turning risk off. As mundane as it might sound, investors are rotating out of speculative assets and into more safe havens as economic uncertainty is increasing. After all, stocks are trading at relatively high valuations. 3 out of 4 conditions are met for AI to be considered a bubble, and with interest rates expected to remain relatively the same for the next few months, Bitcoin becomes a sell-the-news event, especially as people take their losses for tax loss harvesting. 2. The US dollar is strengthening. Here's the thing, most people purchase Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, a weakening dollar, and less purchasing power. But when the dollar starts getting stronger, there's less of a reason to buy Bitcoin, and that leads to a sell-off, especially with 4. ETF sales are amplifying the crash. Just consider this, when you go and buy an ETF, that ETF must go and buy the underlying Bitcoin to hold as a reserve. Now, even though this works in favor of Bitcoin when the price is going up and the ETF is buying everything available, it also works in reverse, where people sell the ETF then has to sell the underlying Bitcoin, causing the price to fall, causing people to sell even more of the ETF, causing the price to fall even further, creating a death spiral.